I want to show you guys the Scotch game. Now, how it works is once they take, we're actually going to play bishop c4, and this is now called the Scotch gambit, and it's super aggressive. For example, a move like pawn h6 is already losing. Now look on what I'm about to play. He's trying to prevent a knight from going to g5. I'm going to play the move pawn to c3. Now, you can find this on chessreps.com, but if he takes the pawn, then, well, he did take the pawn. Now look on this. Before I even take the pawn, I'm going to play the move castle, just getting my king out the center of the board, knowing that he's taking material and I'm simply using the time to develop my pieces. He took another pawn. Now look on this. All my pieces are basically developed, except my knight, but he's so many pieces away from being fully developed. Now I'm going to start my attack. He played d6, which also blocks in his bishop. I'm now going to just play the move knight c3. The aim is to put my knight on the d5 square. Bishop to g4 was played. It is pinning my knight to my queen, but to get out of this pin, I'm going to play the move queen to b3. Attacks the unprotected pawn, attacks the f7 pawn two times, and I got out of the pin. Yeah, he has to be super careful here. He could be getting checkmated. So he decided to play queen to e7, guarding the pawn on f7. And okay, this is now just losing. First of all, I was initially thinking of knight d5, which is good, but because the b7 pawn is unprotected, I'm going to take on b7, attack the unprotected rook, attack the unprotected knight. This is called a fork, which means he is forced to lose a piece. So he moves his rook to d8, and it's actually over here. It's funny because taking the knight is winning, but whenever you see a good move, you should look for a better one. I'm going to play the move knight to d5, attacking the opponent's queen, knowing if he moves the queen to try to guard the knight, he loses, but he prefers to guard the knight, leave his queen hanging, but we don't even need the queen, because that's a smothered checkmate. You could learn everything about the Scotch Gambit on chessreps.com.